This is the last of the old covered bridges in Pocahontas County. Last one still standing. This is here on Locust Creek. It's more on the southern end of Pocahontas County. I believe this has been refurbished relatively recently as compared to when it was built. There's some signage on it here. It's for just pedestrian use only. Okay, Locust Creek covered bridge. Bridge number 4362. It says built around 1888. This is the sign I'm reading off. Rehabilitated 2002. So a little over 20 years ago. And look at the size of the beams here. Get in here. Even the beams going across here are really thick. That's 6 by 8 there. Wonder what part was rehabilitated. Did you have roof maybe? Can't tell what type of panels were up there. These are older type metal panels. Those foundation rocks look a little bit newer as far as their weathering. They don't look gray or old. So there's a built foundation right there that's not used. And then there's looks like almost a newer foundation underneath the bridge. It may have been from flooding and things. This was washed out. Because right there is a concreted pillar just laying there. So I suspect maybe something like that's happened. They had to redo this.